Hey guys, Kobiebars, welcome back. This is Journey2Series, episode 3, and today we're working on Skin the Cat. Meow. Woof.
Are you listening? Damn.
So, Skin the Cat, what is it? It's not some sort of way you torture your pet at home.
It's a movement that we use, or is used in gymnastics and calisthenics. It's the progression of front lever and back lever, and it's really good for your shoulder mobility, strengthen the shoulders, get the back nice and strong, get the core nice and strong.
It should be the first move you learn before going onto a lever and a back lever. Numero uno. It's going to get you to progress. Easy. Let's get into it.
Let's do it. Alright, so we're going to take you through the first step for Skin the Cat, and this is exactly what's going to happen right now. Kay is going to model this for me. Okay, so what we're going to do, we need to be able to do a pull-up, we need to be able to do a jump and a knee raise at the same time whilst not getting dizzy. So jump and pull up at the same time. Whilst this is happening, knee raise and watch behind you with your eyes. Look around as you spin around. Let's go. Big jump, pull up, there you go, knees in, and it comes around. And as you get to here, you really got to start pulling your arms so that you don't fall down and dislocate the shoulder. So control that. Easy, just like that. How'd that feel, Kay?
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Step 1, jump up, tuck knees, look back, go over, land. Step 1.
Step 1.
Alright guys, step 2. What we're going to do is similar to the first step, jump up, but at the middle point I want Obi to stick there, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. So first step, jump up to the top, at the middle, stop. So now here, what I want you to do is lock out your arms so that your elbows are fully locked, your biceps and triceps ain't doing the work, your shoulders are. So from here, what I want you to do is start controlling the movement, coming down forward first, and controlling it, coming nice and slow. Your lats are going to take most of the load, and your shoulders. Great strength work. I recommend doing negatives for 6 to 8 reps, build up the strength.
Nice and slow.
Then I want you to work on the other side. So jump up again. So from here, we've done forward, now I want you to do back. So you're gonna come from the back and slowly lower down, slowly lower down. And then when you reach the bottom, drop. So that's the second step. Work both exercises, learn to control your negatives, build that strength. Money.
Okay guys, so you made it to step 3, and this is where it gets a little bit tougher, okay? Now, in this step, the main thing you're gonna need is a hollow body, okay? So not neutral spine, but you want a hollow body where the shoulders are rounded and you're squeezing the abs nice and tight. So you should be squeezing the abs nice and tight, just like that, okay? So for this one, you're gonna jump up as you did in step 2, you're gonna lower it down as you did in step 2, but now instead of coming to the floor, you're gonna pull yourself back up by pressing the arms in the hollow body position. So you're going to be there, and you're going to press your arms nice and tight whilst keeping the knees in as close to you as possible. Come like Sonic the Hedgehog, okay? So jump up. Now knees in, lower yourself down, and only about halfway, and then press the arms in the hollow body. There you go, and we're going to go for a few more reps. Press the arms just like that, because you need to get that strength to be able to pull this all the way up. Now pause. Now just pretend you're taking a rest. Kay's not going to get a rest. You're going to come back side and you're going to pull the arms backwards towards the hips. So you see the arms come to the hips. He's pulling that way. Okay, so you pull your arms as if your life depends on it. Okay, does your life depend on this right now?
Oh yeah!
There you go. And that's how you're working both sides of the Skin the Cat. Okay?
So step 3, reps. Guys, so this is the 4th and final step. Obi wants to take hold of the rings. What you're gonna do is similar to the movements we've done before, but from now, you're gonna do it from a dead hang with locked elbows, pushing through your lats and your shoulders, trying to bring it up and around and through, and back around to the front again, and that is Skin the Cat, the whole movement. So starting from the bottom, dead, locked elbows, tuck your knees in, bring it up, through, and back down to the front, and back around. There you have it guys, Skin the Cat.
Just like that.
Work through the 3 progressions, finally bring it to this, Master this, and then you'll finally get levers.
Levers
Front
will come
levers, back
like
levers will come
nothing.
so easily.
Simple.
Make sure you have this first.
Khalas.
Skin the cat. And that was it, guys. Easy movements, 4 steps. Go through them again. Step 1, jump up at
Spin
the top.
around.
At the top,
Don't get
hold it,
dizzy.
yeah, and just rotate around. Get used to the movement. Just start going through. Whether it's a bar, whether it's rings, just get used to going through and in and out. That's step 1. Get used to it.
Step 2 is negatives. After you get used to jumping around, start controlling the movements rather than jumping and swinging. Control to the front, control to the back, but you do still jump back up to get to the upside down position.
Yeah, so you're still jumping up to the top,
Yeah.
just doing the negatives.
Control that either side.
Step 3 is where things get a bit harder. So you're gonna jump up, and then you're gonna work your way down, and then stop when it gets heavy. When it gets heavy, stop, and then work your way back up. And we're gonna try to build up reps of this, eventually working up to
Yeah.
6, 8 reps.
Yeah, range of motion slowly getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah, and try get stronger in that position, front and back.
Both sides.
That's step 3. Step 4,
Is the dead hang. That's the move itself. Once you do step 4, that's a skin the cat.
yeah, you've
But-
basically done the movement.
But locked out arms, okay? We never ever want to see this or this. This
Doesn't
is
count if you
only-
bend. Yeah, it doesn't count.
Only. None of
You
that.
need to lock.
No bending.
You have to load your lats, you have to load
Like
your
this.
shoulders, and you can't do that if you
Keep it
bend.
locked. None of that, none of that, none of that, none of that.
That's so extra.
I am proper Steve.
So that's it, just lock, work the movement. This is all gonna help you for our next video, which is gonna be front and back levers.
Yeah, man. Big gains. But get this one, it's fundamental. Get this and easy, well not easy, but you'll have a better time doing it. Okay?
Depends who you are, some people might find it easy.
Like, comment, subscribe, share, just give us some feedback and tell your friends, tell everyone who wants to learn how to do these crazy moves on the bar. It's not impossible. Anyone can learn it, just put your mind to it. Brain games.
Oh, that was so sweet.
It was.
Peace. Are you listening? Damn.
It's just the bonus footage. If you're watching the video still.
It's fucking AIDS in my ears, man.